Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can undo things that you do on your Weebly website editor. So let's get right into it. Now, undoing and redoing do not have their own respective buttons, which you might be accustomed to if you're using, I don't know, Microsoft Word or something. Usually in the top left, you have a button that is used for undoing any actions. But as you'll see here in the website build editor, you will not have those options on Weebly. And this is not limited just because I don't have a plan. This is not available in general to all users. However, there is a way to undo things. So for example, as you can see, I have this empty HTML embed area here. And if I deleted that, for example, as you can see now it's gone. And if I press Control Z, it should come back. Now, for some reason, it didn't, so let me just try it with this. There we go. So for text, it works. You can just delete whatever you want, press Control Z, and now your text is back. Now, let me see if it works for example, for bolding. And no, it doesn't. And now I'm not sure why, but it's adding the same text over and over again, which is kind of, well, unexpected. Let's just say that. But as you can see, if you make any changes, you can just press Control Z to undo everything. And I'm pretty sure Control R or Control U might redo it. And whoops, it did not. I'm not sure what I did now. But yeah, we'll just skip over that part. But yeah, you do have your, well, button combination options or shortcuts. On Windows, it's Control Z. On iOS, it might be something different. Pretty sure on Linux, on most distributions, it's Control Z as well. But yeah, all in all, that's pretty much it. And that's how you undo things in Weebly. The text is the only thing that I found out works so far. Tried it with the elements as you've seen, but you cannot undo deleting or moving them around, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.